Hello and welcome to this 5-minute breathing routine. If you feel anxiety is building up in your system, find a comfortable place and take a few moments to just breathe. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief, or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenygray.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin by sitting nice and tall with your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Place one hand on top of your chest, the other one resting over your navel. With your chest relaxed, take a few deep breaths into your abdomen. Allow your abdomen to expand into your hand and then relax slowly, pulling the belly in towards the lower back. Inhale in through the nose, into your abdomen. Exhale out the nose and relax. Try a few times on your own. Keep your chest nice and relaxed, focusing your attention on sending your breath all the way down to your belly. Keep your breath slow and deep, observing the movement of the abdomen and your breath. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale out the nose. The more you breathe, the more relaxed you feel, allowing stress and tension escape from the body with every exhale. One more time, breathe in into your abdomen. Breathe out and relax. Then slowly place your hands on your ribcage. Take a nice full breath in, allowing your ribcage to expand into your hands. Exhale softly, allow it to relax and return to normal. Inhale. Exhale. Stay relaxed. Don't worry if your ribcage is not moving as much. Allow your focus and awareness to help you breathe deeper. Every time you inhale, feel the air filling up your entire lungs. Every time you exhale, allow them to relax. Then relax your hands on top of your knees. Then bring your hands back, one hand over the navel, another one on top of your chest. Go ahead and inhale all the way into your abdomen. Then continue into your ribs, finishing upper chest, upper back. Exhale softly, as if you're deflating the chest, the ribs, and the abdomen. Inhale into the belly, the ribs, the chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. Stay relaxed, yet focused on your breath. Allow your breath to enter your body naturally. Then exhale softly, releasing all the stress and tension. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Allow your belly to expand first. Breathe out, allowing your chest and your ribcage relax fully. As you're doing this exercise, take a moment to notice the quality of your breath. Notice when you inhale, the air feels cool and refreshing. Every time you exhale, the air leaving your body feels hot, maybe even steamed. Through our breath, we can regulate and balance the yin and yang energy in the body. We can calm the nervous system, we can calm the mind, and feel more balanced. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly let your hands rest on top of your knees as you're fully aware of your body. Stay calm for a few seconds and finish. Hopefully you feel nice and calm. Thank you for joining me. It's been a pleasure. I wish you great health and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.